I genuinely wish this was a joke, but I moved into a house for like 12 days, and it burned down, at least partially. I burned the house next door, burned down, and it went over to the new house I just started renting, and tore through the entire upstairs loft, which is where I put all my stuff, my birth certificate, my laptop, my typewriter, all my books, pretty much everything I own. I only kept like a couple things inside the van because I was just moving stuff into it. All the furniture I just bought and spent like 2 weeks like scouring for on Facebook Marketplace to find like the perfect things to finally put in like a place that I could live in here for a while. And now I'm back to square one. Yeah, I'm trying to joke and say, well, I guess the universe didn't want me living in a house, but it just makes the option of living in a van. Someone's walking their dog in a stroller. I don't know. It's been 3 days and I'm still processing it. And I don't know why, like, part of the worst thing that's gone are my clothes, but like my entire closet of everything I've like, I think it's because it's not like something I can rebuy. Like I thrift everything I found on my furniture individually, like from secondhand, and I feel like I'm not gonna find like the same things again. And honestly, I'm just like tired, and I don't want to go. Like, I don't know if you guys have been trying to find a place even just to rent, but in Portland it's really hard to get a place, and this is like 2 blocks from Laurelhurst Park, and just perfect location and extra bedroom and a little backyard, and I'm just like back at square one again, and I just really don't even want to go through the process again, and I don't want to buy anything. And yeah, so anyways, that's the van update. We just stumbled on an outdoor library, and I got vegan banana pudding. You never have to worry about me. Guess we're leaving all these pots and stuff, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh god. I keep thinking there's, like, I can put a light on, but I can't. Ugh. I think they boarded it up more. Maybe? Oh man.
Spelling another thumbs up. It's got your early New Year greets. What's in that one?
Hi. Holy crap, it's been a while. I recorded like I might combine them, but I recorded like the my house burned down video, or not fully burnt down, but partially burnt down video, a couple weeks ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago. And a lot has happened even since then. But today I'm headed to Descend on Bend, which is like the van festival near Bend, Oregon, and it's my 3rd year going, and it's my 3rd time going as well. That I was supposed to come up with some guy, and I'm not now. So, I don't know what it is about right before the summer or right before a big event, but it's fine. It's all good. But my friends are gonna be there, and I'm super excited. And I need to pull off the side of this road now. See, we going. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or ask the grinning bobcat why he grins? I got this kayak for $40 on Facebook Marketplace, and it's literally the best. It's the best freaking purchase, dude. Can't even tell you. I don't even have to like move. I just want to float on the water.